Alright, I'm here to do some magic with some spoons. Okay? I have 2 spoons here. Watch very carefully. I take the spoon, just kind of spoon like so. Okay, now I have the spoon here. Watch very carefully. I'm just going to take the spoon. Let's make it melt. Okay. Actually, have you help me just grab that silk. There's this orange silk in that bag right there. Okay. Examine the spoon. Make sure there's nothing wrong with it. Okay. Now I want you to hold on to the. Okay. Hold on to this silk. It's like so. Okay, make like a little bag. Bring your hands up. Okay, so that we can take it and put it in there. And just hold on to the ends here. Now watch, I'm just going to try and bend it without touching it. Okay, watch. Watch you just shake it. Let's see, it's bent. Alright, spoon bending.